You've been patient, waiting for your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Today, all of the elements have come together. For you, paradise awaits. Welcome to the awe-inspiring beauty of the eastern shore of the Dominican Republic. This is the piece of paradise that you've been promising yourself and your family. This is the home of Roco Cay. An opportunity to live a luxurious lifestyle in one of the most beautiful destinations on Earth.
Imagine if you designed your ultimate playground. You would start with 30 miles of sugar-like white sand that leads into blue ocean waters. Palm trees would sway in the gentle winds. A place where towering cliffs greet the soft azure waves. A private club with the latest in spa amenities. A Nick Faldo signature course that rivals any oceanfront course in the world. A marina that provides concierge services, from arranging sailing adventures to world-class fishing to diving excursions exploring the equally amazing beauty of what lies beneath the sea. This is Roco Cay, and this could be your next home.
In the Dominican Republic, romance is always in the air, thanks to the Spanish influences that make up her heritage and history. It all comes to life as you take a leisurely stroll down the